Hello, my name is Vladimir Ahrenberg. I'm half Swedish, half Russian. I'm currently doing my first semester in Glion. I previously studied at Monte Rosa Institute. My overall experience in Glion has been very positive. I really enjoyed it. I've been here for a month now, and we've done wine tasting, mixology. We've had a masterclass where we were allowed to travel to Zurich, to Zermatt. We've spent a very nice time there, and I really enjoyed the program. Both institutes have a small campus, so I really felt like I could get to know everyone quite easily, and it's very international as well. Something I really like in this school is that you use your soft skills a lot. You don't only use your hard skills. It's something where you move around a lot, you interact with people, and you have a lot of different ateliers. Like you will be having like caviar tasting, truffle tasting, wine tasting, wine pairing with food. Then you be working at a restaurant. Like, so you always have something new that you're going to be doing. You're not going to get bored, that's for sure not. If you're thinking about coming to Glion and you see yourself as this type of person, I would really recommend it because I'm really enjoying myself here.